बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इस लेक्चर में हम पढ़ेंगे प्लास्टिड के बारे में। व्हाट इज़ प्लास्टिड? प्लास्टिड एक ऑर्गेनील है विच इज़ प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट सेल एंड एब्सेंट इन एनिमल सेल। प्लास्टिड एक पिगमेंटेड ऑर्गेनील है एक्सेप्ट ल्यूकोप्लास्ट विच इज़ कलरलेस। प्लास्टिड के 3 टाइप्स हैं, क्लोरोप्लास्ट, क्रोमोप्लास्ट एंड ल्यूकोप्लास्ट। क्लोरोप्लास्ट एक ग्रीन प्लास्टिड है which help in photosynthesis, which contain chlorophyll due to which appear green, which is present in green plants of plant such as leaves. प्लास्टिस एक डबल मेम्ब्रेन बाउंडेड ऑर्गेनील है जिसके आउटर मेम्ब्रेन स्मूथ है एंड इनर मेम्ब्रेन इज folded at some region and form such a structure which is look like flattened stake of latent sacks, which is called granum. This is called granum. Each granum consists about 50 or more sac like structure which is called thalaccite. The sacs in the granum is called thalaccite. There are 50 or more thalaccite sacs in one granum. Thalakite sac have membrane which is called thalakite membrane. Thalakite membrane contain chlorophyll plus accessory pigment like xanthophyll and carotenoids which help in the absorption of light. And there are many granum which is collectively called grana, which is plural. Between the granum there are colorless membrane which is called interlamellae or intergrana, also called intergrana. Photosynthesis occur in 2 steps, light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction of photosynthesis occur in granum of chloroplast. Light reaction of photosynthesis occur in the granum of chloroplast. Between the granum, the space between the granum contain jelly-like substance, fluid, which is fluid-like jelly-like matrix, which is called stroma of chloroplast. Stroma contain DNA. Chloroplast have its own DNA enzyme which help in dark reaction of photosynthesis. ATP, NADPH2, which is product of light reaction. The dark reaction of photosynthesis take place in the stroma of chloroplast. This is the structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast is a double membrane bounded organelle which consists of granum and grana and stroma. Granum is the region where light reaction of photosynthesis take place, and stroma is the region where dark reaction of photosynthesis take place. Second type is chromoplast. Chromoplast color plastid have but other than green, which have different color, which give different color to petal and fruits of plants. Petal, the leaves of flower, color leaves of flower is called petal. The color of petal is due to chromoplast, which attract insect for pollination, which help in the sexual reproduction of plant. The ripened fruits of plants also contain chromoplast, which help in dispersal of seed. The third one is leucoplast. Leucoplast is colorless plast, which have no color, which is present in root stem, which help in storing of food which have different shapes, triangular, tubular, etc. Plastid also change from one form to other. Leucoplast, like in tomato, leucoplast change into chromoplast. The color of tomato is colorless. First the tomato सबसे पहले टोमेटो का जो कलर होता है वो colorless होता है, colorless due to the presence of leucoplast, then change into uh, this leucoplast change then into chloroplast, due to which the color of tomato change to green, and then chloroplast change into chromoplast, due to which tomato look red. This is the example how plastid, different plastid change from one type to another. This